In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily access attachments in an email using Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is a fantastic email platform known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Let's dive right in and explore the simple process of locating and opening your email attachments. First, we're going to start by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Head to your web browser and type in the URL https://mail.zoho.com. Enter your login credentials, your email address, and password, and hit the Sign In button. If you're using a shared or public computer, there's an option to stay logged out after closing the browser, which could be a smart choice for your privacy and security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox, which should display your list of received emails. From here, you need to identify the email that holds the attachment you're looking for. Click on that email to open it and view its contents. It should display front and center for you to read. But remember, we're specifically after the attachment today. With the email open, scroll down through its body text towards the bottom, which is typically where attachments are placed. You'll notice a section labeled for Attachments. Here, you'll see a list of files attached to the email. These will be accompanied by icons indicating the file type, whether it's a PDF, a DOSX, an image file like JPG, or any other format. Now comes the easy part. Next to these files, you should see options to either view or download them. We are going to focus on viewing the attachment directly from within Zoho Mail. This is an incredibly convenient option that saves you from cluttering your device with downloaded files, especially if you just need a quick glance. Simply press the View button associated with the file you want to open. Zoho Mail's integrated viewer will open the file right in your browser without requiring additional software. From here, you can read documents, look through images, or check out other types of files with ease. This wraps up the quick guide on accessing and viewing attachments on Zoho Mail. This simple method not only allows you to handle attachments efficiently, but also keeps your workflow smooth without unnecessary downloads. As always, take a moment to verify the sender's identity before opening any attachments to protect yourself from potential email threats. Use these skills to manage your emails more effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating and maximizing your experience with Zoho Mail. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy the seamless handling of your email